So, we're back at the cave of automotive pleasures. Today we have a BMW. Track rod failure. Yep, the sport fails right over here. So we're gonna check it out and replace it. This is the part number. It's a warranty case. Not to make a bad commercial for this brand, but yeah, it happens. So, left side. Oh. Have not been working for a while because I was pretty bad foot. I had a pretty bad foot. Ah, shit. It still is. So, 17. Take off the wheel. Before we're gonna take off the wheel, we're gonna test it. And as you can see, there's a lot of movement here. I'll try to show you from the inside what it looks like. Probably a good idea. Yep. So we're looking at the parts right here. This is the evil one. We replaced it last year. Not even last year, like 5 months ago. In May. 6 months? 7 months, yeah. So you can still see the new paint on it. And when we turn the wheel, I don't know if you can see it from here out. Yep. You have to pay attention to this joint right here and the movement that it makes. So if you touch it, when you move it, you can clearly feel the difference. When you put your fingers here, you can feel it. It moves quite a lot. So probably no grease or something happened at the factory. I don't know. Maybe you can see it better from this angle. Oh yeah. That's quite the movement there, quite the play. Yep. So, I'm gonna swap it out. Yep. And hope for a better future. Let's go. Pretty easy. Straightforward. So we need a Nimbus number 5, I think. 5 or 6. Is it a 6? No, it is a 5. Yep. Oh no, it's Torx. Wait. Torx 40. Yep. Torx 40. Perfect. And a wrench, of course, to tighten it. And this will take, I think, godverdomme. Yeah, typically Moog, it will be a 22. Always one size different. Yeah, 22 and the Torx 40. That's what you need, and a wrench for the bolt over here. Yeah, maybe also 22. I don't know. We'll see. Yep, let's take off the wheel. Yeah, the foot is still fucked up. 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 Oh. A little bump on the camera. And give it a tap. Yep. Of course. it comes off pretty easy because I changed the tires. So I cheat a little bit. Now I'm gonna try to show you. Not difficult, not easy. Stupid foot. First, we're gonna make a mark where the on the track rod here, and then we can compare it so it doesn't move. That's what I want to say. And then we're gonna count the steps, so how many turns you turn it off, because it's the same part. Steering is good, so we're gonna count maybe 20 steps up, and this is how you can almost identically get to the same steering from it. So this looks like it's also a 22. How convenient is that? And this one 24. So we have to loosen this one. Then this one is conical. Yeah, no threads on that one. So 24, that's what we need. 23 perhaps. I think 24. And then this one, the 22. We'll undo it with the impact, and the rest of the way with the hand tools. Let's do that. So I need a 24 and the socket's 22. Yeah, 24. Sockets 22. I have one. Look at these nuts. These nuts, eh? You wouldn't say. 22. Yeah, I need that. Up. 24. Let's go. To have a better chance of loosening it, you can always take the new can. You can always spray it with some WD-40 and give it a little rub. The higher the chances of doing less of the work with the same result. Always a good idea. Do what you can. And in case of that, always lubricate. But of course, yeah, not gonna do that one because that needs to stay on there. Yeah, 24 of this, 24 of this. So we need to smack it. It has to go upstream, huh? So we're gonna smack it upstream. And there we go. There we go. And it's loose, as you can see. I'm turning this one up. Doesn't matter, we're gonna count it.